Darijo was our guide through the beautiful city of Split. The tour was interesting, fun and very informative. Darijo has excellent sense of humor and he is like a walking encyclopedia. He gave us excellent recommendations for craft beer pubs in Split and plenty of useful tips. It was a great day. We definitely recommend it. Very nice tour through the old city of Split, professional guide with many background knowledge but also relaxed and funny. Highly recommended. Thanks for the tour. The walking tour and craft beer tasting was just amazing, and Dario, our tour guide, made it even more special. His knowledge, social skills and sense of humor made this tour unforgettable. If one day I become a tour guide, I would like to be just like him. Thank you. A great tour with guide Darijo who is knowledgeable about Diocletian's palace. After that you go to a brew pub and sample craft beers to wet your whistle. He is quite conversive and will answer all of your questions. A truly wonderful guide. He has a great sense of humor, knowledge of history and nature, and a love for his country. We've been with him many times, to KRK, Plitvice, Split, Zadar, and Šibenik. If we ever go again, it'll definitely be with him. The national park is stunning and it's well worth visiting to experience its natural beauty. It was very busy when we visited but not a problem thanks to the organization of Darijo who not only presented us with an interesting tour at the park but also en route from Split and around the beautiful cathedral at Šibenik. His passion for Croatia and knowledge is second to none and I doubt you could travel with a better guide who is not only great fun but also meticulous with timekeeping which worked perfectly for us. This also allowed for beer o'clock which was much appreciated in such hot weather. I would highly recommend a tour with Darijo and hope to see him again when we return to Croatia. Darijo was such a great tour guide, very knowledgeable about Croatian history and has a great sense of humor. Krka is beautiful, even though it's packed with tourists but that's to be expected for peak season. Darijo was full of information about the waterfalls, and if you didn't want to stay with the group for the information he was more than happy for you to wander off. Šibenik Cathedral was beautiful as well, which again Darijo knew everything about it and if people wanted more information on it he was more than happy to keep talking. Gave us some spare time for a cold beer which was also a must with the nice warm weather. Absolutely loved it all, definitely a must for anyone visiting Split. Highly recommend.